iconic face. So what do you say about it? How excited are you for this award function?
Firstly, I want to say thank you. Nobody's ever called me iconic. So, yay, thanks. Well, it's not been too long since I've stepped into the industry. मैं अभी भी अपना पहला शो ही कर रही हूँ. And on Instagram, you always see these award functions happening. And I remember very nicely that in my first year, obviously मुझे nomination नहीं मिला था, मेरे शो को कुछ महीने हुए थे, and I had seen this award function happening, all the TV celebs were there, and I was just like, wow dude, like I also want to be a part of this, and I hope I'm one always aspires, क्योंकि I think आप जो भी काम करते हो अपनी लाइफ में, आप उसी चीज़ के लिए, अगर आप अपनी काम को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट होते हैं, सो यू ऑलवेज वांट टू सक्सीड. एंड from that in 2019 to now, I think it's been a great journey.
And also the show जब से शुरू हो गया तब से like लोग आपको कितना पसंद कर रहे हैं, काफी अच्छा चल रहा है, तो आपके fans.
Well, God has been very, very kind. And I just feel that wherever you belong, you always find that place. So बहुत खुशी की बात ये लगती है मुझे कि इन कुछ सालों में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. मैंने अपने लोज, अपने हाइज, सब कुछ यहाँ देखे हैं. एंड इफ़ आई एम टुडे समथिंग, इट्स बिकॉज of the love that I've received from my fans and the viewers. So I'm always grateful for that.
Okay, so apart from pandemic, talking about this last 2 years, this 2 years has been a great year for you as an कलाकार की मैं बात करूँ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे गए हैं आपके. So when you get compliment like this, how does it feel?
Of course, like I said, it's very, very motivating. It's very encouraging. Just to be appreciated by people around you, not just your fans, but people who work around you, people who are a part of the industry. I think everybody likes that slight motivation once in a while, and it only pushes you to do better. So, yeah, it's pushed me to do better with each passing day.
So as today in this award function like you're all dressed up in white.
Yeah.
And white stones, so what do you have to say about your outfit?
Well, I always end up in gowns. So my stylist was like, nothing doing. And I was like, okay, let's, and I'm someone who actually loves wearing cocktail dresses because I feel it complements my body type really well. I used to be called Miss Long Legs back when I was in school and in college. So I said, I thought that why not? And besides, I feel that the look that I'm carrying today is classy. At the same time, I feel it's very cool. It's in a very chill space, and I feel it kind of resonates with my personality. And I love white. I think white makes everyone look pretty.
Also, apart from this show, anything any project you've been working on, anything is in your kit?
Well, to be honest, like I think 2022 is going to be an exciting year when it comes to work, because I feel like I'll finally be doing things, apart from this show. So I am looking forward to that. But of course, announcements shall be made in due time.
And also Christmas और New Year भी आ रहा है, तो
जी.
shooting ही काम ही करना है, plans भी है.
Well, I fly to Dubai in the next 2 hours and I'm spending time with my family, so I'm excited for that. So Christmas is going to be fun. And 31st, of course, like always, I prefer to work. Because I remember जब मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन करी थी तो मेरे सीनियर ने मुझे कहा था कि अपना बर्थडे और साल का आखिरी दिन काम करना चाहिए, हर साल ऐसा होता है. And I don't know why, it just stuck with me and it's been like that ever since.
Okay, so 2020, 2021 has been a great year for you. How you are looking forward for 2022?
I'm all pumped for 2022. I feel like I feel very grateful for this year. Despite the pandemic, despite if I have to say, the starting of the year wasn't that great for me personally, because I wasn't very good. I didn't feel that great mentally. So if I see all of that and I see my growth, from where I felt anxious, I felt depressed, to seeing a psychiatrist, and to not know why I was feeling so hollow in the beginning of the year, to cut to now working on myself personally and professionally also, I just feel a lot of gratitude, and I can't wait to, you know, see what lies ahead.
And also lastly, how grateful and touched you are to your fans that were watching the show and loves you so much.
Well, I always say this, that an actor is because of his or her fans. You know, अगर आज दर्शक मुझे देख रहे हैं, वो मुझे पसंद करते हैं, इसलिए मेरे पास काम है. So yeah, like I just know that if I am where I am today, it's because of their love. So I'm very, very grateful for that.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.